Every day, billions of sheets of paper pass through printers, copiers, notebooks, and folders. Most of them, without question, are A4. But have you ever stopped to wonder why A4? Why this particular size? Why is it so universally used, and how did it come to be? The story of A4 is not just about convenience. It's about mathematical elegance, practical engineering, and a global standardization. Before A4, paper sizes were anything but standardized. Different countries followed their own systems: Royal, Elephant, Atlas, Crown, Foolscap, Demi, and much more. Each was shaped and named with no global logic, causing chaos in printing, folding, and scaling documents across borders. And even today, many still mistakenly call the Foolscape paper as Full Escape. But Foolscape, as odd as it sounds, was once the paper king. That is, until the 18th century, when mathematical insight began to influence paper design. In 1786, German scientist Georg Christoph Lichtenberg proposed something brilliant: a paper size with a height to width ratio of 1 to square root of 2. Why? Because when such a sheet is folded in half, the resulting halves still share the same 1:2 ratio. This was not just geometry, it was genius. This principle forms the foundation of the A series paper sizes. At the top of the system is A0, an area of exactly 1 square meter. Fold it once and you get A1, fold it again and you get A2, and so on. Each smaller size retains the same proportions, making A4 exactly 1 divided by 16th of a square meter, or 210 millimeter by 297 millimeter. This seamless scalability is what makes the A series so efficient. Documents can be resized, enlarged, or reduced without changing proportions. Designers, architects, and engineers can easily move between formats. Printing becomes predictable and there is less paper waste. Machines and folders can be built with one format in mind. And yet, despite its brilliance, Lichtenberg's idea was not immediately adopted. It took a revolution, literally. During the French Revolution, a push towards rationalizing measurements led to the adoption of the metric system. Alongside this, mathematician Lazare Carnot introduced the concept of paper sizes based on the metric units and the 1:2 ratio. But again, it gained little global traction. The breakthrough came in 1922 when Dr. Walter Postman in Germany formalized the A series into what became known as DIN 476. Postman's vision finally aligned paper with practicality and logic. The design made production, copying, and documentation exponentially more efficient. But international adoption was still very slow. France embraced it, Germany standardized it, and gradually other countries followed. India officially adopted it in 1957, 10 years after independence. And in 1975, the International Organization for Standardization made it official as ISO 216. Today, A4 is the most widely used paper size in the world. Yet, one major country still resists it: the United States. Instead of A4, American printers default to letter size 8.5 inches by 11 inches. It's slightly wider and shorter than A4. And this single difference leads to a range of global misalignments, errors in printing, formatting, inconsistencies, and unnecessary design work. The irony, the rest of the world adapted a mathematical masterpiece while one of the most technologically advanced countries stuck to a legacy system. The brilliance of A4 lies in how simple it makes complex systems, no matter where you are in the world. A resume, an official letter, a blueprint, or a flyer is designed to A4. When you fold it, print it, store it, or copy it, it just works. That's not a coincidence. That's the beauty of mathematical design. It's why your printer at home or at the office defaults to A4. It's why your school notebooks and certificates follow A series dimensions. It's why digital PDFs are created in A4, and that is why scaling something from A3 to A5 does not distort the design. Everything is proportional. Everything fits. Behind this ease lies a journey of over 2 centuries, a journey driven not by trend, but by rational thinking and mathematical elegance. So the next time you reach for a sheet of A4 paper, remember, it's not just a paper, it's a symbol of how a single idea, when based on the logic of geometry, can change the way the world works. From confusion to clarity, from chaos to standard. That is the journey of A4.